All right, so Julia, you go behind her and stay there. Now go find someone else. Wherever you want. How about right here? You're right there. You're facing her. Here we go. Start. Start. Just play. Keep going. All right, so go behind them. There you go. Oh, there's a big long train. Julia, you go behind. Stay with her. Okay, find each other, find a train. Kirk is like, get back there. Okay, easy, Caden. Easy, Caden.
I didn't even touch her.
I know, easy, buddy. All right. Oh, Jaden's been. Hey, go back there.
I need to make a complaint. He refused me and Olivia's trade. It's not fair.
I know. We're gonna let him play, but then we're gonna forfeit him. Okay, go. All right. So it's like the Kentucky Derby. You kind of won, but you had to forfeit. Oh well.